Page 3. 3 and 4 are the new arrested.
3 and 4 new arrested.
Yes.
Where have you explained their involvement?
I have explained in the last 20 from page 20 on the last page, Malad. One was the lower division clerk of DIAC and another was dispatch clerk.
Their involvement where from?
Yes, Malad, I'm just giving. দুটো 161 করেছি না আমরা চিত্তরঞ্জন আর বিবেকানন্দ মন্ডল both those things were tampered by these two.
But who is this Chittaranjan? He is a employee.
He's 160. Yeah,
Who is he?
And he is the clerk
Clerk
of DI school.
DI school. And Vivekananda Mondal?
Also the same.
Clerk of the DI office.
DI office.
Is there any relationship of this Shubhendu Hatua and
Ashok, that is there. One Ashok Kumar Hatua is there.
Ashok Hatua and Shubhendu Ali?
Yes, the father and the son duo.
Huh.
The father is Ashok Kumar Hatua, so he is also here.
No, Shubhendu Hatua was subsequently arrested.
No, he was arrested in a different case. He was a teacher.
But how is the relationship this Ashok and Shubhendu?
Ashok, no.
No relation. Is there another teacher of this school as Shubhendu named Shubhendu Hatua? Come to note, page 30.
এই যে শুভেন্দু মাত্র এক্স টিচার কম্পিউটার অ্যাপ্লিকেশন এটা তো অলরেডি একটা কেস হয়েছে।
হ্যাঁ, অলরেডি কেস হয়েছে, ওটা আমরা এক্সামিনও করেছি, কিন্তু কিছু জানে না, এভিডেন্স আমরা এখনো পাইনি স্যার।
না, শুভেন্দু মাত্র এগেইনস্ট তো আলাদা একটা কেস।
1294 23 আছে স্যার।
মানে we have interrogated him also. We have interrogated him. Against him there is a specific case already filed.
Yeah.
That is there.
But he was an teacher of another school.
Yes. No. Khamarchak High School.
This
school only.
He has got in the appointment of this in this school. The other two, he has got some involvement. Then
in the another case, in a separate case.
He was entangled in his personal case. He has got the appointment.
Yes.
All this.
Yes.
Now, in this case, appointment.
In this case, we have interrogated him. In this case, he is not involved right now. The person more or less involved are the new two.
UDC of Holdia Government College.
That time LDC ছিল।
Page 31. These two more arrest persons.
Yes, these are the current arrested.
How this college UDC of college has got involved with this appointment scam?
Oh, that time he was there. Now he is posted here. That time he was posted in DI office as lower division clerk. Now he is upper division clerk of Holdia Government College.
How can he travel there? How he has traveled there?
Education service. They belong to the cadre of education service.
School.
না, গভর্নমেন্ট কলেজ বলছি।
Government.
আরে গভর্নমেন্ট কলেজে গেছে ও।
The government
Only
college.
school one can go to college.
না না স্কুল না
Like if he's
No,
a
no, my lord, he was
let me explain.
he was
That education
UTC of
service.
DI office.
Therefore, he was in the education service. In the cadre of education service, Milord, he can be transferred to a government school or government college, which comes under the administration of the education service.
As a clerk of same
Clerk,
post.
yes, yes. So he's still a clerk.
Now he has been posted as upper division clerk.
Yeah, UT LDC ছিল UDC হয়েছে।
Now, what you have detected, this Oyon Das, he has been arrested.
He was arrested long back.
Now, if his appointment is not through the proper channel, appointment letter was not issued by the board. Where is board? This is the face of the disciplinary body. This is the face of the disciplinary body.
No, অন্য ঘরে মামলা চলছে।
Now then, Mr. Bhattacharya, is there any necessity of initiating any disciplinary proceeding against this Oyon Das?
Ought to be. Milord, there are two aspects of any Milord action. One Milord is misconduct, which comes under the disciplinary authority, and then the criminal misconduct, which goes Milord to the part of the criminal investigation. Now, the state has Milord taken him into custody in terms of Milord the criminal activities committed. But Milord, he is yet to face the Milord the departmental inquiry, which is a Milord
No, that is what my query,
Yes.
exact query is, that his appointment was not through the appointment procedure. Now, the board, which is supposed to be the authority to issue the
board
appointment
should give
letter.
him a Milord show cause that how
No,
could you
my question is very basic now, that if he was not even recommended by commission, he was not appointed by the board, is the
No,
board is,
may I just interrupt? That was in respect of Oyon Kumar Das.
Ah.
Now, my lord, what happened? These persons, being the UDC,
no,
of
no,
the-
not, don't jump into that.
all,
Don't jump to
so
that.
no,
I am on
my lord is-
Oyon Das.
oh, my lord.
Whether any disciplinary proceeding can be initiated or at all can be
Without-
necessary.
দাঁড়াও, চুপ করো। If the honorable court Milord passes an order that we find the appointment was not there at all, court can pass an order, or court would be pleased to direct the appointing authority. How could you appoint him? And if his appointment is correct, then take appropriate action. So that he cannot come and complain that natural justice was violated so far I am concerned.
Now, in a situation where an appointment was made without giving go by to all known procedure of appointment,
That is void.
that is void.
Void.
For that,
If the court comes to a finding void, goes. And Milord, if the court will still keeps hope on the appointing authority, the court will ask the appointing authority to take appropriate action.
just taking a cue from the recent judgment,
Hmm.
the appointment goes.
Goes. The
Without-
court come to a finding that this is void.
Therefore, if the appointing, rather the recommending authority is saying that we never recommended Mr. Oyon Das for appointment,
That let that be on affidavit. They have not filed any affidavit to that extent.
let us understand. And the second, if it is found the board takes a stand that since we did not appoint him, we don't have any disciplinary authority over him.
It's void.
So then appointment being void will go automatically.
Automatic.
Only the natural justice may demand before declaring, he may be asked to
Explain.
get an
That's-
opportunity of hearing.
That's all.
That's all for Oyon Das. So far, Ashok Kumar Hatua, ex headmaster,
Headmaster.
he is in receipt of pension.
না, এগুলো তো মনে হয় আগে বন্ধ না।
Possibly,
It was stopped. It was stopped.
it has been stopped.
There are previous matters against him, so there was a direction. My lord was looking into that. So my lord, that has been stopped. The pensions and everything.
In
has-
connection with maybe
in a different case,
other-
my lord.
But Milord, the stopping is Milord temporary measure. They have to Milord initiate now proceedings for forfeiting of the pension.
So, the possibly even after the retirement, now the position of law may be subject to what you say, the disciplinary proceeding may be initiated, subject to some formalities being observed, right?
The law is for grave misconduct, even after Milord retirement, proceedings can be drawn up because he is getting pension.
Just show one fact, my lord, that we had never denied the DPI that we will not take any action against the principal, my lord. And that is on record. I have placed it before my lord. If my lord wants, I will place that exact annexure right now.
Yeah, it's your
Now,
opportunity.
my lord, Sheikh Sirajuddin is concerned, my lord, he has been suspended by the new administrator. The document is I have, my lord, I will hand it up to his lordship, my lord. My
Okay.
junior will hand it up to his lordship.
That. Next question would be, you are representing the administrator.
Lordship.
Very good. Very good.
My lord, may I just place one more thing, my lord?
Wait,
My lord.
the administrator is before me. The erstwhile GB is before me. The GB is to justify, or rather, they are agreed by the resolution of the GB. Of course, they will be getting the chance. I'll be allowing you to file your affidavit, file it. It will be.
My lord,
time.
it's filed. It's filed. It's before your lordship.
No, I am not giving you any direction to file.
My lord, there was a direction in the order
But
of
they have-
the division bench, my lord.
He's got details of
Let me
the
see
AD.
now.
My lord,
Procedure should be
You are not yet added as a party. Wait,
my lord, my
wait. You have to agitate this, file your application
we
for
have filed
admission.
it. It's before my lord.
application.
Let them file affidavit to that. Addition, reply, then I will consider your application for addition. But so
Now, my
far,
lord, so far that person is concerned, he has been suspended. The document my junior have, my lord. Biman, kagozta diye de lordship ke.
Administrator is now functioning. The act is functioning. He has taken appropriate steps, suspending the person concerned. So let the situation continue. Erstwhile GB has no focus as of now.
of course, suspension is in contemplation of a disciplinary proceeding.
Yes.
No, my lord, of course, my lord, because now, my lord, disciplinary proceedings has been stayed. Now, my lord, he has been suspended and I had instructed them, my lord, to take immediately start the DP.
With the go by of the earlier GB, everything has gone.
Yes.
Everything has gone, my lord. Now, kagozta de na re baba judge sahib ke. কি হাতে নিয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে আছিস?
This one. Hey, Dido.
Your Lordship, I am for the respondent number 12, the principal. We have not received any communication till date or the suspension.
Wait. Everyone will be communicated with everything.
দাঁড়িয়ে আছো সিনিয়র কি বিরক্ত করে দিচ্ছ
So, have you gone through this order? As it appears, by granting the erstwhile governing body to file an affidavit in this matter, virtually their addition has been allowed. So, we may formally add them in the matter. And the affidavit which has been, leave has been granted to file an affidavit. You may file it. It is your choice whether you will be filing such affidavit after seeing the further development of the matter or now. Whatever, it is your choice. But all the parties were there, they will be getting the opportunity to file their reply to your affidavit. Now, this is the scope of your intervention in the matter, which has been explained by the Honorable Division Bench.
My
You
lord, may
are
I just
willing to
indicate
file
one-
the affidavit now?
My lord, it has already been filed and copy has been served to the writ petitioner as
Filed
well as
where?
the state. Can 4 and 5, my lord.
Well, this
In this case, my lord.
can 4 is for,
Can 4 is for the impediment application for addition of parties, and my lord, can 5 is the recalling application, my lord. If my lord takes it
calling
up.
of,
Of the order regarding the dissolution of the
how
13-3,
it is maintainable?
my lord, that my lord will
No, how it is maintainable? The division
My lord-
bench
my
has
lord-
affirmed the order of the, only giving you the opportunity.
no, my lord.
In the conduct of the governing body.
Absolutely, my lord. My lord. If given an opportunity, my lord, I will show that nowhere we had denied to take care of the instructions given to us by the DPI. I'll show. It is on record before my lord.
Sorry.
So there,
But the
right now,
fact remains,
my lord,
you have revoked the suspension
my lord.
of a principal who is directly involved in the illegality, manipulating the appointment of his own wife in a selection process where his wife never participated.
My lord, I bow down. to the-
You want that principal to come to college and teach the students
My lord, I bow down.
to justify all these things. File your, and you will be getting your opportunity.
I'm
Now,
grateful.
the last part
Grateful.
of my order is so far, this is another matter, na? Saldia College goes in view of the development. Now come to Sanjeev Das matter. There I have
Yes.
not much to do.
Milord,
Now what happened? What happened thereafter?
26th March, the division bench passed the judgment.
No, that I've seen.
Yes.
Now what is the position of how?
Oh.
I have not seen. I am only inquiring about the criminal case. Howrah PS case number 105. Who is the investigating officer?
I don't know.
IO, who is the IO?
IO, because I have to attend